Welcome to the night of 1,000 lightning strikes. I could see the storm approaching, with lightning strikes revealed in its madness. My goal, though, was the equally fast approaching sunset. Could I get to the sunset before the storm did? That was my question as I sped down the dirt road to my destination, in a little valley in Utah not far from Factory Butte. Well, I did it. I beat the storm and got my camera set up to capture both the sunset and the still approaching storm that was now armed with lightning bolts and rain. After capturing what felt like 100 lightning strikes in the golden light of the sunset, the first drops of rain began to fall around. I continued photographing until my camera lenses were covered in drops of rain. So I quickly grabbed my 3 cameras and tripods, laying them gently in the back of my Jeep. I then jumped in and started driving down the now muddy road. It took me 5 or 6 minutes of careful driving to get in front of the storm. And then off to my left, I saw even more lightning strikes. The storm somehow had me surrounded with lightning in every direction. Since I now seemed to be in the quiet eye of the storm, I quickly stopped and set up the cameras and tripods once more. But this time facing east as the lightning began to strike at a fevered pitch. Even though the sun had set, the constant lightning was lighting up the sky and the ground with its magenta and teal color casts. Soon the rain once again began to fall around me. I tried in vain to wipe the rain off the camera lenses, but it was for naught. Then, with visions of the slick, muddy roads in my head, I quickly packed up once more, and now in 4-wheel drive, took back down off in the direction of the paved highway and security just a few more miles down the road. There may not have been actually 1,000 lightning strikes. Perhaps it was only 200 or 300 strikes. But I know it was the most I had ever seen in just an hour of time. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure. Thank you so much for coming along for the ride. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like, and be sure to come back for more.